Hello and welcome to the season opener for Cballz Outdoors. We are doing our first season on YouTube. I'll play for you a highlight of a bunch of videos that I've got coming out on Wednesday at 6 a.m. over the next few weeks. If you like what you see, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and then you'll be notified when the videos are released. Otherwise, if you're good at keeping a schedule, you can log on Wednesdays after 6 a.m. and just watch the videos. No need for a subscription.
Oh my god!
Alternatively, if you don't enjoy the videos, you can avoid them because I've showed you the thumbnail. It'll save you close to 18 minutes. Hopefully you enjoy the highlights, and I might see you on the next videos. And if I don't see you on the next videos, best of luck with your future endeavours.
2 meters on. Pulling with a little bit of drag. There you go. I like to have a fish in the mornings. That's a good fish. Look at that. It's not king-like, but it's pretty good.